All right guys, so this is a customer's 2021 Panigale V2. He's requested we do a couple little mods to it. So today we're gonna put a clear clutch cover conversion on the bike, as well as a new Rage tail tidy and the solo seat cowl from Ducati. Let's go see what parts we're gonna use on this thing. So there's our clutch cover, clutch pressure plate, retainer, the new Rage kit, and here is the painted parts for the tail cowl here. So yeah, we're gonna get rid of this tail section here, replace it with the new Rage kit. Gonna replace this cover with the Ducabike kit. And just little touches like that will really make this bike beautiful. So let's go ahead and get working.